good, my people? I'm back again with another one. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other content, check out all the other videos and all that good stuff. So I've got myself another Represent tracksuit, courtesy of the Black Friday sale, and also because I really needed some tracksuits. So this particular one actually, I ordered in May. It got cancelled. Well, not even the full order got cancelled. Half my order got cancelled. So they sent me my joggers and they said the hoodie's out of stock. Then I had to send back the joggers because what am I going to do if the hoodie's out of stock? No point me just keeping the joggers. But yeah, I believe sometimes companies should ask, like, do you still want the rest of your order, or, you know, contact you just quick yes or no. You could easily say, no, I don't want it no more, refund me full. Because then the thing arrives, then you got to send it back. It's all too much. But yeah, lovely story that no one cares about. Let's get straight into this one. So this one is a Represent Owners Club flocking hoodie in black. I'll explain exactly what that means. I haven't even tried this one, haven't even opened it, because if I did, I'll mess it up and it won't be folded all neatly for the video. It'll just look rubbish. So it's a live reaction basically. Yes, finally. So flocking, if you can see, is like this print that's on here. It's like a kind of like a suede print. If you've got Essentials Fear of God, it's basically like that on some tracksuits. I love this already, man. This is just what I needed. So of course we've got that standard Represent hood with the button. I never do the button up if I'm completely honest. Then we've got obviously some tags. This one shows that the item's real. If you buy something that's brand new with tags and it doesn't have this one, it's not real. Then some more information which I'm not going to read, more information, and then this tag explaining exactly what the product is. So Represent Owners Club flocking hoodie, black, size large. And yeah, so we've got the little tab, metal tab on the kangaroo pocket, and then the best bit, ooh, Represent Owners Club, powered by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Lovely. I really like that print. So it's got like this suede feel. I've also got it on my Essentials Fear of God. However, it did fall off on the hoodie, the wording. If this falls off on this, I will be very upset, I can't lie. Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't mess up. Hopefully it stays like this. Hopefully nothing peels off. If something peels off, I will be proper upset, man. I can't lie. I'll be having a cry about it, because it's not cheap at all. And then we've got joggers. Same thing, matching, so flocking joggers. There we go. So I've got that same logo there, just small little print, and then on the actual jogger there's a little metal tab here that says Represent on both sides. And then once we open up the jogger, you can see the cuffs at the bottom. And then we've got that same label, the standard R label or tag, and then the size and the information about what the item is. So I always go up one size for the joggers because I like that baggy oversized fit, way more comfy. I prefer it. So yeah, if you want it oversized baggy, hoodie I usually go true to size, which is like a large because it's already oversized. The joggers aren't so oversized, which is a bit strange, so I go one size up, so they are oversized. So that explains the large and then the double XL. And then it's got a label here and a label here, which I'm not going to read. If you really want to, you can pause now. But yeah, I'm really gassed for this one. Came at the right time because I got basically no tracksuits left, like good ones. So definitely needed to get a few more nice trackies in the rotation. This one will be one of those ones where it's just easy to wear as well, because it's just all black, really and truly. White trainers on the bottom, black trainers on the bottom. I just clocked. I got the Jordan 4 black cats on their way. Those are black. This tracksuit's black. Might be a nice little all black fit with the Jordan 4s and this. But yeah, I've got nothing else to say about this, to be honest. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all my other videos. And take care, my people.